If you are currently watching this, it means you are one of the people striving so hard to get rid of anger, stress, and anxiety in order to build a life of positivity for themselves. Well, count yourself lucky because you have just found your one-stop shop to everything you need to know about anger, stress, and anxiety management. You can now find out everything you need to know about overcoming negativity. The book, Master Your Emotions, contains genuine information, tips, strategies, and techniques that can help you create that happy, negativity devoid, and quality life you desire and as well deserve. The book is written in simplified and easy to digest language to help you assimilate everything contained within smoothly. The book will teach you all you need to know about stress management, anxiety management, and anger management by making you privy to some of the most effective techniques and strategies for mastering your emotions and learning emotional intelligence. This book will begin by explaining all the basics you need to know about emotions, the nature of emotions, and the sources of emotions. What impacts our emotions? How are emotions developed? Are negative emotions even necessary at all? How can you get rid of them? These and many more are the questions you will be finding valid answers to in Master Your Emotions. Improve your emotional intelligence by controlling your mind and boost your brain to eliminate your anxiety and worry. We will also take an in-depth look at what emotional intelligence is and how it can help you rid your life of negativity. Most importantly, you will learn about anger management and core relaxation strategies to get rid of worries, concerns, and uncertainties. To further help you, we will be giving you tips on how to practice mindfulness meditation, which is a popular form of meditation now being used to practice self-awareness. Mindfulness meditation technique can help you develop your connection with your inner self so that you can develop high emotional intelligence. If you are interested in leading a value-laden life, qualitative and filled with positivity, if you want to learn to project positivity into negative emotions, and you would like to learn how you can be more productive, purposeful, and positive in life, but you don't know where to begin from, this one-stop shop for positivity promises to teach you these and everything else you need to know. Every answer you need awaits you in this amazing read. The choice is now left to you to choose a life devoid of stress, anger, anxiety, a life of positivity, and start living life with a decluttered and free mind using the strategies, tips, and techniques waiting for you in the book. Add a copy to the cart and get started on the journey to positivity and productivity. The same name, that emotional intelligence rolled into the mainstream consciousness and became a groundbreaking concept. Back then, intelligence quotient was seen as the only factor that mattered when it came to assessing an individual's capabilities. Once emotional intelligence took over, IQ was perceived as a narrow or limited way of assessing an individual's chances of success. The cutthroat world of career, jobs, and business was starkly different from the cushy confines of a classroom. If you are interested in leading a value-laden life, qualitative and filled with positivity, if you want to leave, if one had to navigate the real world, they'd have to adapt to a different kind of intelligence than the academic one used in classrooms or libraries. A person's knowledge and cognitive abilities alone didn't guarantee success in life. That degree didn't automatically mean a high-paying job or a profitable business. At best, you'll get your foot through the door. However, for someone to succeed, you would need much more than just plain intelligence. It would take social, communication, conversation, and emotional skills to raise the bar. These are life skills that don't come in the classroom but are learned by living in a hostel, waiting at bars, joining social clubs, being a part of sports teams, and volunteering. Do you still think IQ is the only factor that determines a person's overall success in life? If that was true, my friend, every successful person you spot today, from the CEO of big organizations to the president to thought leaders and successful entrepreneurs, should be a Harvard, Stanford, MIT graduate with a PhD. Make a list of 10 successful people you admire the most. They are the people you look up to as they lead successful and balanced lives. Are all these folks top honors graduates from distinguished educational institutions with a high IQ? My money is on no. Again, don't get me wrong here. I am not undermining the importance of intelligence or asking you to shut that book on mechanical engineering and start reading about human psychology. It is awesome if you possess naturally high cognitive abilities and a high intelligence quotient. All I am saying is you should ideally have both EQ and IQ complementing each other to increase your chances of success in the real world. If you can increase your emotional quotient to back up an already high intelligence quotient, you can achieve many great things. However, if you ask me to pick between two skills, I would have to go with emotional intelligence. A person with average intelligence and highly evolved emotional intelligence has a greater chance of succeeding in today's world than a person with high intelligence and less developed emotional intelligence. The name of the game today is about managing people, understanding their emotions or motives, and managing their feelings to achieve the most positive results. Technical knowledge may help you direct or instruct your team when it comes to completing a task. However, your ability to keep them motivated by understanding their emotions will ensure they'll stay inspired and productive throughout the process. A person's cognitive intelligence or intellectual potential has always been measured as his or her ability to retain facts or make calculations. However, these skills aren't necessarily all-encompassing in certain positions such as leadership and entrepreneurship. Tons of CEOs, world leaders, and Fortune 500 company founders are high school dropouts. If intelligence alone was the measure of a person's success, how would you explain this? The reality is that it isn't as straightforward as a single factor like intelligence that determines our success. It is, in fact, a combination of factors which are mainly emotional and social life skills that will help you survive or thrive in the real world. Intelligence quotient is an inborn, but not all-inclusive, factor that can influence an individual's success in life. This is good news because, irrespective of your traditional, genetically determined intelligence, you have a good chance of being successful if you work on other social emotional life skills. A high emotional quotient along with other social and psychological skill sets can definitely boost your chances. Thank you for watching this video. There are more videos which can inspiring you.